Hi there, what's this in my hand? It's a product called cop aluminum joints. As you see, this part is copper tubes, another part is aluminum tubes. Question is that, how to connect copper tube and aluminum tubes? It is welding technology. Yes, sure. What kind of welding method? Brazing? Flame welding? No. Actually, it is the pattern welding method that belongs to electric resistant welding method. Why choose pattern welding method? As we know, copper and aluminium, they are two kinds of natural material. They have their own melting point. Copper melting point is 1080 centigrade. Aluminium melting point is 660 centigrade. So copper's melting point is almost 2 times of that aluminium's. But welding makes these two different metals comes out new material. We call it aluminium 4 copper 9. The material existing between copper and aluminium. So it is pity we cannot see the material through our naked eye. Obviously, the condition of new material decides the quality of aluminium copper joints strength. Second question. How do we judge the qualified copper aluminum joints from our naked eye? Not depend on any precise instrument. The easy way, let's see the fusing length after peeling off welding area. Generally speaking, 5 mm fusing area means we've got the qualified products. If less than 5 mm, which means we should take the risk of leakage after 1 or 2 years using. Here, I'm preparing the documents about butt-welding technology. You could write me an email and get it soon. See you next time.